Welcome back. Well, if you want a strong relationship, you need to make sexy time a top priority.
Hey, bow chicka bow bow. Here to tell us why and how to pull it off is Dr. Viviana Coles with Houston Relationship Therapy.
So life is busy, but you should never be too busy for sex.
To get her done.
Don't be too busy to get busy. Yeah, absolutely. You know, it's something that comes up in my office every single day. People are really struggling to get sex on the calendar, and if they don't want to do it on the calendar, they just want to make sure it happens somehow.
Some people don't like putting on the calendar because they say it's
really
not romantic, but
Yeah.
you say that's okay to do? Like
That's
you
okay
need to
do,
schedule
but
it
this is
sometimes?
an alternative to scheduling sex.
Okay.
And that is the sex first philosophy.
What's
Hear me out.
that?
Yeah. So this is what it sounds like. It's when people put sex first on the calendar, just in the agenda, not necessarily on the calendar. So if they're going to go out on a date night, guess what? They're having sex first. If they are going to go out to the Pee Wee League softball fields the whole day, they're going to have sex first.
Not before the baseball game.
What about your lipstick? You might get a makeup mustache.
If you're doing it right, maybe.
Yeah, because when you get home, you might be tired.
Yes, and so it truly is easy. Let me just
And it
kind of
relieves
spell
some
it
of the
out.
tension too, like on the date night then.
Both
right?
physical and emotional tension. Yes. And I think for a lot of people, they think, oh gosh, how is that going to happen? How do we fit that in? Well, you have to agree on the frequency that you're hopefully wanting to have these sexual experiences first. So agree on a frequency. That does not mean that it has to happen under all circumstances or that there can't be more, but at least have that conversation of what you think would be feasible.
What do you think is a healthy number for married couples?
Twice a week. To have some sort of sexual experience, and if you're able to have intercourse, having that once a week as part of those two.
And this is
would be
any
great.
age?
Any age. Yes, and if you're having trouble with it, come and see me. I'll help you out.
All right.
But yeah,
20-year-olds are going, are you kidding me? That is not enough. Probably
Right,
30, 40-year-olds.
And this isn't for them. They're putting sex before everything, probably. Yeah. And then the other thing is to kind of figure out what are the expectations for that. What are you going to be doing during those sessions that would make it feel like it was worth it. And then
Is it important to take turns initiating too?
it is so important. Please don't leave it up to one person. Just because somebody seems to have sex on the brain more doesn't mean that they always want to be in charge of it.
So give them a break and
So give
do
them-
that for them instead.
Before going out. And then, of course, lastly, just make sure that you are putting sex first if you're having any trouble with that. I do have a women's group coming out. DM me at Dr. Viviana on Instagram to DM the word group, and I'll send you the information about my new women's sexuality empowerment group.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Is
That's
that somebody who'll
life-changing.
meet in person or online?
It can be in person and online. We have two options.
That's
So
somebody
whether
that
you're in
wanna remain
Houston area or
anonymous,
not.
Make up a fake account and join. No, I'm just kidding.
No, there's no shame, no shame. We all need to be empowered.
Yeah, that's awesome.
As life changes, your relationship changes, so you have to
Yeah.
have discussions about stuff.
Exactly. Thank you.